The forest, it's calling us, I can feel it.
It feels like there's something important hidden there.
What do you think? I think it's time for an adventure. We have to find the lost magic of the fairy forest. Wow, this place, it's so beautiful, but I can feel something is missing. The magic used to flow here like a river. Now, it's as if it's been taken away.
We need to find out where it went.
This is where it all began. The crystal was the heart of the forest's magic.
But where did the magic go? We need to find the key to restore it. The whispers of the forest are returning.
This is where it all began. The crystal was the heart of the forest's magic.
But where did These creatures are just illusions. We have to stay strong. We're stronger together. Let's go.
The forest is depending on us.
These echoes, they're speaking to us. Do you hear that? It's like the cave knows our every move. Let's listen carefully and find the truth.
Look, the symbols respond to our unity.
These islands, they're floating. This is unlike anything I've ever seen.
We need to be careful. The bridges may look stable, but we can't trust everything we see.
This tree feels ancient. I can almost hear the voices of the forest's past.
Let's climb to the top. We'll find what we need there.
What has been your greatest lesson in this journey?
We've learned that magic comes from within us, and from the strength of our bond. We've done it! The forest is alive again! Together, we restored the magic.
You are the true protectors of this forest. The magic is yours to guard.
This place feels ancient, like the forest has a memory.
We need to listen carefully. The echoes will guide us. I've never seen a desert like this. It's as if the magic here is frozen in time.
Let's be careful. We must learn from the past, not repeat it.
The air is thick here. This garden feels like it exists outside of time.
There it is, the moonlit flower. We must find it before dawn.
This place feels like it holds so many secrets. We have to be careful.
The artifact must be here somewhere. Let's search the heart of the city.
The eclipse, it's happening now. We must place the final pieces together.
Let's do this. The forest's future is in our hands.
Please, we need your help. Our homes are fading, and we can't fix them ourselves.
We'll help you, but you must learn how to use your magic wisely. Let's work together to restore what's been lost.
The garden was once a place of beauty.
With your magic and our guidance, we can make it bloom again. That's what we know. Let's focus on our energy. It's all about finding harmony.
Thank you. You've shown us how to control our magic and protect our homes.
You're all strong. Now, you'll be the ones lives to guide other of you. Keep it alive by caring for it.
There's always more to discover in this magical world.
And we'll face it together as we always have.